Good morning students. In this second video, I am going to discuss the Eastern Ghats, plateaus, plains and drainage. The Eastern Ghats. Unlike Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats is discontinuous and irregular one. It is dissected at many places by the rivers which drain into the Bay of Bengal. Its height ranges from 1100 to 1600 meters. This hill separates the plains and the plateaus. Javadu, Servarayan, Kalrayan, Kollimalai and Pachamalai are the major hills of Eastern Ghats of Tamil Nadu and are located in the northern districts of the state. Javadu Hills are an extension of the Eastern Ghats spread across parts of Vellore and Thiruvannamalai districts and separates these two districts. Many peaks with a height of 1100 to 1150 meters are located in this range. Melpattu is its highest peak. Many parts of this range are covered with bluish-grey granite. It is noted for its fruit-bearing trees, medicinal herbs, and sandalwood. Due to illegal logging, sandalwood trees are disappeared now. Kalvarayan Hills. The name Kalvarayan comes from the word Karalar, the ancient name of the present tribes. It is another major range of hills in the Eastern Ghats of Tamil Nadu. This range, along with Pachimalai, Aralvai Javadu, and the Servarayan Hills, separates the river basin of the Kaveri and Palar. The height of this hill ranges from 600 to 1220 meters. Servarayan Hills. It is a mountainous range located near the Salem city with the height ranging from 1200 to 1620 meters. The name of the range comes from the local deity Servarayan. The highest peak in the southern part of Eastern Ghats is located in this range. The peak is Solai Karadu and its height is 1620 meters. The hill station Yerkad, which is known as Poor Man's Ooty, is located on this range. Servarayan Temple is its height point 1620 meters. Kolli Hills. It is a small mountainous range located in the Namakkal district. It covers an area of about 2,800 square kilometer. It rises up to 1,300 meters. This is a mountain range that runs almost parallel to the east coast of South India. Arpaleswara temple located on this range is an important pilgrim center. It has the largest cover of evergreen or cholla forest when compared to other parts of the Eastern Ghats. Several coffee plantains, fruits, flowers, and silver oaks estates are found in this region. Pachimalai. It is the lowest hill range spread over the districts of Perambulur, Tiruchirappalli, and Salem. In Tamil language, Pachai means green. The vegetation in this range is greener than the vegetative cover of other hills in this region. Hence, it is named as Pachimalai. Jackfruit, a popular seasonal agricultural product of these hills. Plateau of Tamil Nadu are located between the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. It is roughly triangular in shape and covers an area of about 60,000 square kilometer. Paramahal Plateaus is a part of the Mysore Plateau situated in the northwestern part of Tamil Nadu. Its height ranges from 350 to 710 meters. Dharmaburi and Krishnagiri districts are located in this region. Coimbatore Plateau. Coimbatore Plateau lies between the Nilgiri and Dharmaburi districts. Its height varies from 150 to 450 meters. This region includes Salem, Coimbatore and Erode districts. Moyar River separates this plateau from the Mysore Plateau. Rivers like Bhavani, Noyal and Amravati, which originates from Western Ghats, form valley in this region. Many intermontane plateaus are found in the region of the Nilgiris. Sigar Plateau is one such plateau. Madurai Plateau. Madurai Plateau, found in Madurai districts, extends up to the foothills of the Western Ghats. Vaigai and Tamirabarani basins are located in this zone. Plains. The plains of the Tamil Nadu may be divided into two, namely inland plains, coastal plains. Inland plains. Inland plains are drained by the rivers Palar, Ponnayar, Kaveri and Tamirabarani. Kaveri Plains is one of the most important fertile plain of the state. The plains of Kaveri is found in Salem, Erode, Karur, Tiruchirappalli, Pudukkottai, Tanjavur, Thiruvarur and Nagapattinam districts. Coastal plains. Coastal plains of Tamil Nadu are also called Coromandel or Cholamandalam plain, which extends from Chennai to Kanyakumari. It is formed by the rivers that flow towards East Train in Bay of Bengal. It is more than 80 kilometers wide at some places. Though it is an emerged coast, some parts are submerged into the sea. The sand dunes formed along the coast of Ramanathapuram and Thoothukudi districts are called Theri. Coral rocks are found at the head of Gulf of Mannar in the east coastal plains. Beaches. The Coromandel coast along the Bay of Bengal consists of many beautiful and exotic beaches. The golden sands of Tamil Nadu beaches are scattered with palm and casuarina groves. Marina and Elliot beaches of Chennai, Kovalam beach in Kanjipuram and Silver beach in Kadalur are some of the famous beaches in Tamil Nadu.